Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this little poof here, and everything that I use will be in the description box below. And if you do like how I achieved this look, please like the video, comment, and then subscribe to my channel. Okay, y'all about to see some magic real quick. Watch how easy this was for me to achieve the look in the previous clip. Okay, so the first thing I did was twist my hair. So I just honestly put it in a couple of little plaits all over my head. I did try to make sure that they were as tight as possible, but for the most part, I didn't put any moisture or anything in it, just because you're gonna see what I do later on in the video. Okay, so after I finished twisting my hair, I did use a spray bottle, which I have like a bunch of oils and water basically in it to spray my twist. And I did let this sit overnight, just to make sure that it was dry and that I could possibly try to achieve the best curl pattern or whatever that I could. Okay, so my hair is now all dry, and now the next step that you'll want to do is untwist the twist. So when untwisting these twists, try your best to like keep that curl pattern. I didn't do it like too rough or too fast, just to make sure that I did achieve that or keep that curl pattern going. And then you're going to want to prepare your hair for the ponytail. I did use the Eco Gel and a brush with a bristle just to push my hair up to where I wanted my ponytail to be. Okay, so this may be the most important part. You're going to want to grab that shoestring and tie it, or rather put it on the back of your hair first, and then cross the shoestrings in the front. And then you're going to want to slowly pull it up to where you want your ponytail to be. And the back is going to be like a little resistant as to getting pushed up, but you're going to want to make sure you keep those strings as tight as possible while slowly pushing up the back, because you don't want to have to start all over, because I did have to do that a couple of times, which is why I edited the video. So once I figured out how high I wanted my ponytail to be, I did go ahead and tie the shoestring. And what I mean by tie is basically just tie the shoestring as if you're tying your shoe. And then with the remaining or hanging shoestring, I did go ahead and tuck that in to where the like rest of the shoestring is. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and fluff your hair once you put those shoestrings in place so that they can stay out of the way. So when I fluff my hair, I'm basically just making sure that my curls are still intact and making sure that I basically achieve the puffy looking hairstyle, I guess you can say. Okay, y'all, that is it. That is all. I'm honestly surprised at how this hair turned out. I actually love it, and thanks for watching.